big thunderstorm just hit North Raleigh. Lightning, rain. This is North Capitol Boulevard, 17 miles north of the city, the center city. Look at those cloud formations. About ready to rain its butt off. These are cumulus clouds. Here comes the rain. All right, here comes the rain, guys, and the lightning, and the thunder, and Mother Nature at its finest. Oh yeah, I'm getting soaking wet now. Perfect. There it comes, the big storm. Whew. Oh yeah. Out here holding a metal object in the rain. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh shit. Here it comes. Oh God. I gotta go. See you later. Bye.